Hello everyone, my name is Adrian Reyes. I serve Prodigy cuts out of High and Tight, and today I'm going to show you how to use a taper comb. So the taper comb, as you can see, taper means something going from the littlest point to the highest point, so tapering. So as you can see, this is a taper comb. Okay, so taper is going from the littlest point to the highest point. All right, so this taper comb I would generally use especially for around the ears. Okay, I will use for around the ears like so. I will use the smaller part of the taper comb to get under the ears or a little, and then you want to go up with it like so. Okay, and then for the biggest, the thickest part, the widest part, I'm sorry, I will use for areas like that. Okay, and so a taper comb is, is generally used just for for the harder reach areas, especially the smaller part. Like when I finish doing this haircut, he's doing the 2 or 3 scissors up top. So what I would do for the smaller areas, instead of using the ear guard, you can use taper comb, which works beautiful. So I would go like this and just go up with it. Okay, and then with the thicker side, of course, you use the easier to reach areas. All right, so I just showed you guys how to use the taper comb, and thank you guys for watching. My name is Adrian Reyes. I serve Prodigy cuts out of High and Tight.